How to change currency in Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on store details and then scroll down till you find store currency. And using this drop down right here, you will be able to choose any currency that you want. And keep in mind that this is the currency your products are sold in. It's not the currency that people will pay you in. So keep that in mind. You can change the currency that your products are sold in, as well as you can change the currency that you get paid with, which is topic for another video. So say for example, I want to choose the euro, or for example, the Egyptian pounds, for example. Once you do that, click on the save button at the top right of the screen, and the currency will be changed, your store currency. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change currency in Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.